Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming hardware and focus. Ensure your keyboard has volume keys and the computer is awake and unlocked. Once confirmed, find the mute, volume down, and volume up keys. Note whether they require an FN modifier or an FN lock to work. Press the mute key briefly to check immediate response, then tap volume down or up once to observe change. Make sure system sound isn't muted in software. This makes the first tangible adjustment fast and confirms the control path. Now refine the level using key behavior and OS features. Tap a volume key for a small, single-step change. Hold the key to sweep volume continuously. If keys are on a secondary layer, press FN or engage FN lock first. This explains why single taps sometimes do nothing. For finer control, use Option plus Shift with volume on Mac to change by smaller increments, and open the Windows volume mixer to tweak specific apps. Once done, test audio with a clip and adjust until comfortable. Finish by confirming your chosen level across apps and output devices, speakers, headphones, and communication apps. If you prefer different behavior, map or remap keys in keyboard or OS settings so single presses do exactly what you want. Make sure any keyboard utility or driver is current and lock in settings. If keys are unresponsive or behave oddly, the main troubleshooting step is to update or reinstall the keyboard/audio drivers and check the physical connection. That alone fixes most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.